What are you doing with your internet data? You are not making money online, but you are always online from Monday to Sunday, and you are not making money online. Now, this website gave out over $30 million to their users earlier this year as a means to say thank you for registering on our platform and for using our platform. Over $30 million was given out to their users, and some people made over $20,000 to $30,000. I saw it. Even though I did not get up to that amount, at least I saw people that made more than that. Okay? So right now, this platform is about to give out another money again to their users. And you are still here watching comedy videos and others online. You are not making money already. Now, do this immediately. Go to Google Play Store and search for social value. Go to Google Play Store or your App Store, search for social value. You can see it right here. Download the app, install it, and create an account. Once you have done this, follow my next instructions. Please take note. This is a cryptocurrency platform, but don't be discouraged because it's a cryptocurrency platform. Maybe you don't know about crypto or whatsoever, so you are discouraged. You don't need to be discouraged, all right? Just follow this simple step. Do what I ask you to do. Once it is time for you to cash out your money and have it in your bank account, I will also make a video about that. So make sure you are following me so that you don't miss any of my updates, all right? Now, you don't need to be a cryptocurrency person or know about crypto for you to do this. It's very easy. Anybody can do it. So long as you know how to press your phone, you can do it. You get the point now. So let's dive into it, guys. Once you have installed the app and create your account, this is the page you are going to see, all right? You can see right here. Let me change this right now to light mode. Okay, let me change this now. Okay, all right, go back. At the bottom here, you see where they wrote SP. Click on it. So now, this is where you start participating, okay, to earn money from the platform, okay? Now, what you need to do is this. You need to try and be accumulating SP. You can see right here, I have 161,000 SP, okay? Once you create your account, they will give you this 161 SP, all right? Now, to earn more SP, what to do is this. Come down here. You see where they wrote enter referral code, right? Enter this code. Once you enter this code, they will give you another SP. You can see the code right here, H3PY6FLP, okay? Now, you can see your own referral code right here, okay? Now, once you have entered this code, I'll post the link. I'll post the code on the comment section. You can also see the code right here on the screen, all right? Make sure you use this code, guys, all right? Next thing you do is this. Click on confirm. Successful. You can see that they have given me addition. You can see the additional points they gave to me right here. You can see it right here, right? So let's check now. You can see that they have given me 30,000 extra points, right? You can see it right now that my SP have increased already. So every day, you need to come here every day and be claiming all these points right here. Okay, one, you can see here, share their S post, which is their Twitter post. And number two, watch their YouTube video. Number three, like their S post. And yeah, just come here and see. Just come here and check if there's any daily task. Okay. Now, try and complete their daily task. Okay. The more tasks you complete, the more SP you get. Okay. You can see like this one now is 3,000 SP, 3,000, 2,000, 3,000. All right. So try as much as possible to accumulate as much SP you can accumulate before they will start giving out their money, which is the rewards, okay? Because now the number of SP you get is what will determine the amount you are going to get from them at the end. Also, when you log in on a daily basis, you'll be getting some bonus. You can see right here, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. You can see the bonus right here, points you can get on a daily basis, okay? So it's that easy, guys. You don't need to be a crypto person or know about crypto for you to do this, okay? Even a novice can do it. Just follow the instructions I just showed you right now, okay? Don't say because it's crypto, you don't know how to do crypto, so you cannot do it. Don't say, no. Don't worry. Once it is time for you to cash out your money, I will make a video about it on how to cash out your money, all right? So don't snooze. Make sure you are following me so that you don't miss any of my updates. Very important. Follow me so you don't miss my updates, all right? Don't snooze on this. Don't just come online and be watching comedy videos and just be laughing. Also be making money with your data. You spend money on data, so you should be making money with your data. Very important, all right? As far as this crypto sound, don't forget to follow me. Like this video for me, share with your contact, drop me your comments, and see you on the next one. Use this invite code to get 30,000 extra points. See you on the next one. Bye for now.